Installing pins. How does it happen? To set a pin, we use this Set Connectors icon here. Press and open several modes. The first one is automatic. In automatic mode, the pins will be placed in automatic order. Here you can see pin angle. At what angle will it expand from smaller to larger diameter? This is the diameter of the pin itself. This is the initial diameter, the thinnest part of it, which starts at the abutment and ends in the disc. One of the important parameters is also how deep will our support pin be cut. How does the automatic mode work? Just click on the abutment and the pins will automatically be installed. In this case, of course, they are not installed correctly. They can be moved. But it's easier to start installation of new ones. To do this, we need to remove these pins. How can they be removed? Select the first one, hold down the Control button and select all the others. Press the Delete button on the keyboard.